In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Booking.com confirmation. Whether you need a copy for check-in, a visa application, or expense reports, I'll walk you through the quickest and most reliable ways to get your Booking.com confirmation saved as a PDF. Let's start on the Booking.com website, which is the most consistent method. Open your browser and go to www.booking.com. Sign in using the same account you used when you made the reservation so your trips appear correctly. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Bookings or My Trips. Open that area, then select the reservation you want. Click View Booking to open the full details. On this page, look for an option that says Download Confirmation or Print Confirmation. If you see Download Confirmation, click it and save the file to your computer. If you see Print Confirmation, choose that, and in the print dialog, select Save as PDF as your printer. Pick a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name, like the hotel name and dates, and save it. This preserves the official layout and is ideal if you need a clean, shareable copy. Another fast option is to grab it from your email. Open your inbox and search for Booking.com confirmation. The confirmation email is automatically sent after your booking is completed. Open the message and look for a PDF attachment that you can download directly. If there isn't an attachment, use your email's print option and choose Save as PDF to create your own copy. This works on most email apps and webmail services. If you don't see the message right away, check folders like spam or promotions, then move it to your main inbox for easier access next time. If you can't find your confirmation at all, there's a simple fix. Go back to the booking section on the website, open the reservation, and click Resend Confirmation Email. Give it a moment and check your inbox again. Make sure your email address on your Booking.com account is up to date and that your mailbox isn't full. If the email still doesn't arrive or you need help with a specific reservation, reach out to Booking.com support through their help options. That's it. Use the website method when you want the most official-looking PDF and the email method when you need it fast. Save the file to a safe place so you can access it offline, and you'll always have your booking details ready when you need them.